Assalamualaikum participants. Our next lesson is on listening tips and exercises. Okay, so let's have a look at some discussion points over here. As I promised that I will include IPA in all of these practices. So the IPA is here because I would like everyone to be an expert, a pro in IPA as well at the end of this course. So when you are listening to something, you should have a focus on an assessment. So this whole program, whole course is basically focused on different tests and assessment, and IELTS is one of them. So we are also going to talk about language skills. There is going to be some IPA practice. Basically, this lesson is on practice. Then we'll talk about the types of questions you are likely to encounter during your assessments. There are some preparation tests, and then you have got your practice tests. Okay, so if we look into the uh, types of questions and the timings, we can see that the time is 40 minutes, 30 minutes for listening or just trying to figure out the answers, and the last 10 minutes for only transferring answers. There are 40 questions in all parts, and they are in a sequence from easy to difficult. In the first parts, as we are talking in comparison with reference to IELTS test, because its material is readily available, it's handy, and you can also go for it whenever you want to check your proficiency in the language. Okay, so in the first part, we have got two speakers. Second part, monologue. Monologue is basically one person speaking. Okay. Number three, conversation. Number four, another monologue. So you see that this is the band score out of 40. So if your band score is coming like 4, 4.5, or maybe 6, then you need to practice more until your band score is 7.5 or 8, and then this is the pro one. So hopefully we are moving from 6 to 8 and then 9. Okay, so as discussed earlier, that if you want to be a professional bilingual, then you need to practice both languages, like your mother tongue, your language in the profession or family or social media, and the language of profession like English. Okay, so we need to practice all skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And it's important to listen to the native speakers so that you could know the problems we are facing when we are talking to the native speakers, and when we are listening to a native text, and sometimes it's not native, it's from other culture, like a Chinese speaker speaking English or an Arab speaker speaking English. So we need to know the differences between those speeches. Okay, so let's revise IPA, and for another time, we can see that we have got 44 sounds of English, all color coded over here, all consonants on this side, all vowels on this side. Blue ones are voiced, green unvoiced, dark highlight riff songs here. Again, a bit darker, long sounds with the dots over here, and the lighter ones are the short one sounds. So you can practice these sounds once again, and you can also share your voice notes after doing this practice. Okay, then after the practice of IPA, this is your assignment, and you're likely to get such assignments in every lesson. You are going to read this text, and after reading this text, you are going to convert this text into IPA. You can take help from dictionary, you can take help from IPA converters online. So it can be handwritten or the typed format, and then you are going to read it. Write down a paragraph on the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu 100 words. Basically, I have tried this course to be as much closer to the culture, and the text is very much related to our own beliefs, because I have seen that in many courses there is too much Western text, and sometimes people want to look for something that is very much close to their everyday routines, listening to Quran and Hadith, and reading the books that tells us how the Prophet Muhammad SAW was living his life, his sunnahs, his way to live with his wives, and how he was treating them wonderfully, equally. Okay, so after writing and doing this activity, you are going to do a self assessment, because in this course, I want my participants to have this habit of self assessment at all times. So there could be questions of multiple choice, short answer questions, sentence completion, notes, summary plan, etc., labeling or matching, and maybe classification. So let's see what we have today and how we can prepare for an IELTS test. I'm also going to share some links for listening to the speech or podcast. Listen for at least 30 minutes, and what to listen. It's important to listen to the standard language, because sometimes when you listen to the social media or the slang or pop, then it's not appropriate, and instead of helping you out in with your pronunciation or your language, it drives you away from the language. So it's important to listen to the standard English and professional, so that you could use it further in your language. So this is your part 1, questions 1 to 10. I'm also going to share this, it's audio, so you could attempt this question, and then you are likely to report your score. If you have any questions, you can ask me, you can message me, and I'm going to share the links of your speech practice, and I'm also going to share the audio. Thank you so much, participants. Stay tuned.